Have you been searching for a way to create a talking animation like this one? Or maybe like this, or even like this? Well, your search is over. In just 10 minutes, I'll show you how to make this animation step by step in this video. This animation will bring your faceless channels to life, attract more viewers, and grab your viewers' attention for longer periods of time. Many creators struggle to find the right way to make these animated avatars, and personally, I've spent countless hours searching for the perfect tutorial to make these animated avatars, but I'm here to share the secret with you. Don't skip any part and let's get started. Step 1: Getting an avatar. The very first step is to find the perfect avatar for yourself, and I'll teach you a free method to obtain your avatar using AI. Initially, focus on selecting a character with a random background. We can always tweak the background later using Adobe Firefly generative field, as you will see later in this video. Now, let's head over to Leonardo AI and create a new account to generate our character. Go to AI image generation page. In the settings menu, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9, disable alchemy and photoreal, and enable magic prompt. Here, select absolute reality version 1.6 as the AI model. Now, write down this prompt with a slight tweak to create your unique avatar. Portrait of a 25-year-old man sitting in a chair in a studio, looking straight and center, colorful cyberpunk, wears a face mask, center portrait, sitting straight, front view, portrait, center looking at straight, laptop on a table in front of him. Also, add this negative prompt, side pose, multi-characters, side view sitting, side view. To refine the results, hit the generate button and generate at least 10 images. Next, select the perfect one from these images. Click the unzoom button to get the full view of the image, then click on the upscale button for the highest quality. Finally, download your chosen masterpiece. Personally, I've selected this one as my top pick. Also, you can use this image as a reference to generate different images with various background styles based on your prompt. Simply click on Use this image as guidance input, and you will be directed to another tool, which is image-to-image generation. Ensure to type your main prompt with your desired changes, and also make sure to disable the prompt magic feature because the image-to-image generation feature may not work with prompt magic enabled. Hit generate, and here are the results. Step 2. Background modification. Now, let's explore how to modify the background, objects, and even the outfit of your character. To obtain the perfect background, we must follow 2 essential steps. Firstly, we need to expand the background. Sometimes, when using keyframes, the character may appear too zoomed in. To fix this issue, go to Clipdrop website and use the Uncrop tool. Click the upload button and select the image you downloaded from Leonardo. Make sure to set the size as landscape, decrease the size of the main image, center it, click the next button, and patiently wait for seconds. This process will effectively fill in the remaining spaces and reduce the size of our character. Once completed, download the modified image and repeat this entire process until you achieve the desired background. After expanding the background, the next step is to customize it according to your creative vision. If you want to change it for each video, follow these steps. First, head over to Adobe Firefly and create a new account. Once you're in, access the Generate the Fill feature. Upload your image and let your imagination run wild. Visualize what you want to remove from the scene and think about the new elements you'd like to add. Write down your ideas and hit generate. Let's get started by placing an office in front of the character and a bookshelf in the left corner. To fill the empty space, you can add an air conditioner and a window. Additionally, you can make your avatar hold a microphone in their hand. To enhance the scene even further, consider adding a cup of coffee or a mobile phone on the office desk. Once you've achieved the desired results, remember not to directly download the image. If you do, it will come with a watermark. Instead, take a screenshot of your modified image and upscale it using either the CapCut Online Image Enhancer or the Clipdrop Upscaler. Attention please, get ready for some awesome news. In our next video, I'm going to show you the coolest trick ever: how to make super interesting AI influencer talking videos that go on for more than 10 minutes. And guess what? You won't believe it, we're doing it all with these totally free AI tools. It's like a magical video crafting party, just like the one you're enjoying right now. We're diving into the secrets of creating your very own superstar persona with lip sync skills, all thanks to these fantastic free AI tools. And here's the kicker: these tools give you the power to make your videos as long as you want. Picture this: creating faceless YouTube channels about anything you like, from movie summaries to the latest news, all without showing your face. Now, let's get back to our video and dive into the next step. How to convert your generated avatar image into a talking animation. I've explored various AI tools that specialize in converting images into videos. All these tools' links will be in the description below. And here are the fascinating results. The first tool I tested was Pika Labs' Discord server, which can generate a 3-second video. To utilize this tool, click on the link in description, then scroll down and click on Join Beta. You will be redirected to the invitation page. Click Accept to access Pika Labs. Click on any creations room and start to bring your image to life. Simply type Animate and upload your image, then press Enter. After a few moments, your video will be created, just like that. Moving on, the second image to video tool I discovered is Runway ML. This tool has the capability to generate a 4-second video. Sign up a new account and select Generate Videos, then click on Start with Image. You can try any generation model to animate your avatar: text to video, image to video, or image plus description to video. Personally, I just uploaded my image. Type Animate and select the brush feature to control the area I want to animate, which is the mask in my case. Hit Generate and wait patiently for a few seconds, and voila, your video will be generated. Now, let's talk about the next AI video generator tool called HeyGen. This tool has the ability to generate a 60-second video, but it comes with limited credits. You can create 2 videos, each with a duration of 60 seconds. However, you have the option to log in with multiple Google accounts and create as many videos as you desire. To use this tool, sign up a free account, click on Create Video and select Landscape. You will be redirected to the video generation page. Choose Photo Avatar, then click on this icon to upload your own character, type your text, or upload your audio. Then, click on the Generate button to obtain your video. Next, we have Luma Studio, which is the best of them all. It's completely free, and you can create an unlimited number of videos, each with a duration of 30 seconds. However, this tool only supports video-to-video conversion. Therefore, you can utilize any video generated by the previous tools to create an infinite number of videos. To get started, upload your video here, then select Add New Audio. You can type your text here and select the speaker, or you can scroll down to upload your own audio. Sit back and wait for the magic to happen. This tool will re-lip sync the character in the original video to generate a brand new video. The last tested tool in our list is CapCut, a free online video editor that empowers you to animate both your character and the background. This can be done by adding green screen elements and also built-in stickers if you want. For the background, you can add stickers like a moving fan, a cup of coffee with moving smoke, and more. Just be creative. For character animation, you can use a mouth-talking green screen if your avatar is without a face mask. And you can play with this green screen to animate your avatar even if he has a mask. I will show you the entire process. Upload a mouth green screen, which you can download from YouTube. Use the cutout feature to remove the green screen, isolating the mouth movements from the background. Minimize the scale of the mouth and adjust its position to perfectly fit your character's mouth. Ensure seamless blending with your character's facial features. Fine-tune the adjustments feature to play with the colors, enhancing the realism and integration. Employ the blend feature to darken the mouth and control the opacity, achieving the desired level of realism and integration. With these simple steps, you'll be able to animate your character's mouth using CapCut, bringing your talking video to life. And that's it. Give these methods a try to create and animate your avatar. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I've explained everything thoroughly, but if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you.